everyone, welcome and welcome you all to my channel. So for today we are going to be making a simple video on how to cut 720 flame. Now majority of you tend to ask or are confused on what makes a peplum to actually stand and be curvy. Now for my from what I observe, most of you end up cutting the wrong flay. Okay, now for an example, if you cut 180 flay or you cut 360 flay, even if you put your stay and your crinoline, you are not going to get the effect of a 720 flay, because a 720 flay actually gives you that full effect. You are cutting twice of 360 together at once. Now if you cut 180 flay and then you put in your crinoline and all, you're not going to have that effect of someone that made it of 720 flay. So for this video we are going to be cutting 720 flay. So even if you put your adnet, your crinoline and all, you're going to have a perfect peplum standing. Okay, so sometimes why you don't get the desired results might be as a result of cutting the wrong flay. Do you guys understand? So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, drop your comments. If you don't know how to cut 180 flay, 360 flay, drop your comment down below and I'm going to make a video on that. And if you have any questions or topic you want us to treat, drop your comments on that. Okay, and so I'm rocking this beautiful top. Yeah, so now let's move to the fabric. Okay, now what are the basic measurements required? Before I forget, we just need our waist measurement and our length, that is the length of your flay. So your waist measurement and the length of your flay, basically those are the two measurements required for this video. So now let's move to the fabric. So what are the equipments required? You need your fabric, your tape measure, a pair of scissors and your chalk. So now how do you fold your fabric to give you the 720 flay? So let's fold this fabric together. This is our plain fabric, so you fold it like this. Okay, you fold it like this, that is, you have this and then you fold it again. This is how you cut your normal flay. Okay, you fold it again this way and then you fold it again. I hope you guys understand, and you fold it in a triangle shape. Should you do this again so you'll be able to understand it better? You have your plain fabric, you fold it this way. We have one, right? So you fold it this way again to give us our flay. Make sure you straighten it at the lower side. So you fold it. Okay, let's go again. This is what we have. You fold it once this way, you fold it again, this is twice, so you fold it again this way and then you fold it in a triangle shape. So I hope you guys understand the folding now, so you can just keep on practicing. So this is what we have. Make sure the edges are equal. So this is what we have, and you fold it again this way. So now our waist measurement is 28 inches. So we are going to have your waist measurement divided by 8, because we want to cut twice 360 into 2 to give us 720. And for your normal 360, you divide it by 4. So because you want to arrive at 720, you divide your waist by 8. So my waist is 28. 28 divided by 8, I have 3.5 inches. So I'm just going to place this 3.5 inches this way, just to know where I have my 3.5. I hope you guys can see it. Okay, let me bring it down. Yeah, perfect. So this is my 3.5. So what you have to do, this is where I can get my 3.5. So just mark it this way. Use any measurement to probably where you can get your measurement. So I have 5. I'm going to curve it 5. So this is what I have. And so for my flay length, I just want about 5 inches or 6. Let's say 6 plus my folding allowance, 6 inches. So from here, mark your 6 inches. Mark your 6 inches. And then you mark your 6 inches. If your flay is right, okay, no matter what you put, you're going to have that effect. So now this is very thick, so you just have to take your time to cut out this point and also cut out this point. So after cutting it, I'll show you guys what it looks like. You guys, cutting this thing could be very hard, trust me. Whew. So what you have now, you guys, can you see it? You bring it out and it's neat. With the folding, you can see it's neat. With the folding is neat. So you have one piece like this. This is our 360, this is our 360. So all you have to do now is to open this up, because you want 720. So 360. Now if you cut yours normal 360 into 2, you might not have this full effect. That's the truth. So it's just advisable you cut it this way. It's very easy. So you just join it and look at what you have for a whole fillet. And because your measurement is divided into 8, by the time you give it some little plates, you guys, look at what you have for your whole fillet. So that is what actually makes it to be covered. This is the system or the easiest way to cut your 720 fillet. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So this is the easiest method to cut your 720 fillet. However, if you cut your 360 into 2, you might not get the accurate effect of cutting your 720 ones. So with this method, if you use your gum stay or your crinoline or your art stay or your peplum stay, you are going to have that perfect and beautiful effect because your fillet is right. So if your fillet is right and you put in the right equipment, you can make use of art stay, crinoline, peplum stay. It actually depends, but once your fillet is right, you're going to have a perfect result. So you guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to join us for our training. I'm going to put the details down below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.